Hi there. I'm going to try and explain a few things about sorting as related to coding. What is sorting? Sorting is basically an algorithm to order entities in a particular order. For example, order a set of numbers in ascending order, or order people's names in the ascending alphabetical order of their last name, or some function like that. There are many sorting algorithms, and I would just pick one and try to explain it, which is called the bubble sort algorithm. It's a very popular sorting algorithm, and as the name implies, it says bubble sort. Just like bubbles rise to the top in a liquid, in the same way, the bubble sort algorithm allows the smallest number to rise up to the top of the array through an iterative mechanism. And the way it works is, let's say you're given a set of numbers. Here, I will just show you a set of numbers. And as you can see, these numbers are in random order. And the goal is to sort them in ascending order. That means the smallest number on the top and the biggest number at the bottom. So the algorithm of bubble sort works something like this. In bubble sort, you go through the array two by two. You take the first two numbers and look at them. Which one is smaller, which one is bigger? If the second number is smaller, you exchange it with the first number so that the smaller number goes on top. So just like a bubble rises to the top, you allow the smaller number to go up. Now, once you do this, you start all over again from the beginning of the array, and you keep doing this. You compare number 1 and 2, then you compare number 2 and 3, and then 3 and 4, and 4 and 5, and so on, and keep doing this smaller number to the top and bigger number down till the array no longer has any such consecutive numbers in which the second number is smaller. Once that happens, you flag that the sorting has been completed, and then you can print the array, or whatever you want to do with the sorted array, display it or something. Now, this is a well-known sorting algorithm, bubble sort algorithm, and it's a very efficient algorithm also. Now, in general, a few things about sort for you to think about. Sorting with numbers are easy to understand. Sorting with names is also easy to understand. But what does sorting of an object mean? For example, sorting of a set of employees, for example. What does it actually mean? What does it mean by sorting an employee? So this is called a functional sort. So you could sort an employee by different functions. Like you have seen when you purchase something on a website, you can sort by price, you can sort by recommended, you can sort by size, you can sort by different type of categories, right? So this is called a functional sort. So sorting by employees, for example, you could sort by the employee's age, you could sort by the employee's date of joining, or by the employee's last name, and so on. So for example, in the Java framework, there is something called the collections framework. The collections framework is a huge library allowing to manipulate collections. Collections basically are collection of objects is called a collection in Java, like a collection of employees, or a collection of information about something, or a collection of classes. So the collections framework also has sort functions in which you can implement your own variations of it to allow different kinds of sorting, and also allow a lot of other manipulations of the members of the collection. Okay, I hope that helped. At the end, I will just show you the how the bubble sort works in successive iterations, in the array that I showed you in the beginning. So have a look at that and you'll understand how bubble sort algorithm works. Thank you very much.